What's up? So before watching this video, do watch the part 1 and part 2 on how to demolish CSAT paper 2 in less than 90 minutes. You will be able to do it. Believe me, you will be able to do it. I was able to do it. So anyone can do it. But provided you should know the tricks and you should be able to use your common sense rather than relying on boring formulas. So obviously this is presented by YouTube channel and Academy. This is the part 3. Do watch part 1 and 2 before you come here. So this is conceptualized by me, so I'll be using only common sense here in these videos. No formulas, nothing will be required. Absolutely brutal common sense will be needed. That is all that is needed, because that is you're always armed with. This is the Facebook page, facebook.com/romanseni.official. If you like the video, do hit the like button below, and also in the comment section you can ask your query, and also on the Facebook page where I'll post this video's link, you can watch the video as well as you can ask your queries in the comment section. So we start with this. So with reference to the figure given below, number of different routes from S without retracing from U and or V is as simple as that. See, he just don't want you to do this. You can't retrace from U, because if you can retrace from U, then it will be almost approaching thousands of routes. Is that understood? So obviously you can't retrace U. So what it wants you to do is, once you can reach U in whatever way you want. So there are 3 ways of reaching U. Is that understood? So this is the way 1, this is way 2, and this is way 3. So once you decide which way you want to go, once you reach U, you cannot go back. So these are the 3 ways to reach U. From U to V you can reach only in 2 ways. So this is the way 1 and this is the way 2. So from U to V, now you can't go back. Is that understood? And from V to this point you can go in 3 ways. So this is 1, 2 and 3. So I'll tell you now what to. Obviously this is obvious to most of us that it will be 3 into 2 into 3, that will be equals to 18 routes. But for those who is not obvious, just follow me here. Okay, so the first path I can take is this. Is that understood? Absolute common sense. So this was the first path. Second path I can take is, since I have taken this, so let's assume this part remains the same now. So I can take either this path, that is the second path. Now assume this path is also same, so I can take this part, the third part. So from here, using only this portion, I can reach it in 3 ways. Is that understood? Similarly, using this portion, I can reach it in 3 ways, and using this portion also I can reach it in 3 ways. So there are 3 different ways by which it is. So if you fix one of them, then it has to be multiplied. So assuming you start with, you can go by 3 different ways from S to U, you can go by 2 different ways from U to V, and 3 different ways for final. So it will be multiplied and answer will be 18. Then we have this figure. So obviously you need to predict the 5th figure. It's very easy. Just follow this bundle. Okay, so this goes upside down. Is that understood? So this comes here and this comes here. Is that understood? Absolutely understood. Now it changes side, but the pattern remains the same. Can you see? This comes here and this comes here, and again now it will change there, this wala portion, and this becomes here and this comes here. So since it is not changing sides, so now it will change sides, right? So this portion will remain on the top. Can you see? Here it is on the top. This will come here. So here it is not, here it is, here it is, and here it is not. So can you see these 2 figures? But since this will also change side, this figure, so here it is, so this will be the answer. Is that absolutely understood? Absolutely clear? I'll make it again. No need to focus here. You can focus here also, it doesn't matter. But even if you focus here, so see, it will not change sides, like it will just change their own ways. So this comes here and this comes here. Now they change sides, so this comes here, this comes here. Now they change their faces, so this comes here and this comes here. So now they'll change side, so this comes here and this comes here. So this will only be situation evident here. We can do with the similar thing this also. So just see, now they are changing faces, so this comes here and this comes here. Now they are changing sides, so this come here, this come here. Now they are changing faces, so this comes here, this comes here. So now they'll change sides, so this will come here and this will come here. So both of them gives the answer this. Absolute common sense, not more than 15 to 20 seconds you'll need, and provided you are attentive enough. Then again, this is a HCF question. Whenever you see that they are ringing at an interval, see, it's like first bell 18 minutes, second 24 minutes, third 32 minutes. It's similar to the bullet question 6, 7, 8, 9, 12. 6, 8, 7, 10 and 12. So here we go at, if they rung at 8 o'clock, so at what other time will they ring together? See, the bell will ring at 8:18, first bell, okay. Second bell will ring at 8:24, third will 8:32. So similarly, if you go like this, it will ring at 8:36. So we can't do this, it's stupid, right? It's absolutely stupid. So it will ring at 9:04. Provided, what we can do is we can find a common factor among three. So we find the highest power of the prime number. So 18 can be written as 3 to the power 2 into 2. 32 can be written as 2 to the power 5. 24 can be written as 8, that is 2 to the power 3 into 3. So 3 is already covered here, so no need. 2 is already covered, so no need. So 24 is not needed at all. So even if it was just 18 and 32 minutes, answer will be same. Is that understood? Answer would have been same. Let's say third bell is ringing at 9, again the answer is same. Let's say one bell is ringing at 3, again the answer same. Let's say one is ringing at 2 and again the answer same. 16, again the answer same. Is that understood? 12, again the answer same. There will not be any change in the answer unless they change the prime numbers. So the 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 2, this is a prime number. So you multiply 32 divided into 9, so that comes out to be 2288. So these are minutes, obviously. So you convert into hours. So 240 is equals to 4 hours. So you have 4 hours plus 48 minutes. So you add to 8 o'clock. So it will come out to be 12:48. So this will be the answer. Absolutely simple. Unless a number is coming which is affecting the prime numbers, it will not affect the answer. Moving forward. So this is a kind of a argument kind of a sake. Price is not the same thing as value. Obviously understood. Suppose that one day price of everything is doubled, then the value of all things will be constant except one. Except one, value of all things will be constant. So writer, what does it want to say? That the value of all things would remain constant? No, it is changing that except one, value will not change. So it is constant for all the items except one. So this cannot be the answer. The values of the things sold would be doubled. See, values are not doubling, or it is not quantifiable. Values are not quantifiable, so it cannot be doubled or it cannot be halved. So it is absolutely clear that values are not quantifiable in the above argument. Plus it's nowhere, it's most of the time it will remain constant for except one item. So this is absolutely rubbish, this is absolutely rubbish. This is almost correct, except that the values of all things but one will remain constant. So answer is this. The value of money will be measured in terms of prices. So if the prices have doubled, let's say you have 100 rupees today and you can buy 2 McD burgers. Is that understood? Because 50 rupees is one burger. Tomorrow McD burger doubles in price, it becomes 100. So you can buy only one McD burger. So from the same 100 rupees today, you are able to buy two. Now you can buy only one. So the value of money has been halved. Extremely basic argument, not more than 15-20 seconds you should be taking. So A and B decide to travel from a place X to Y. Absolutely irrelevant. Bus, train, doesn't matter. Just remember nothing. A and B are there. So A has rupees 10. Okay, this is important, and he finds it is 80% of the bus fare for two persons. So 10 is 80% of X. So it is equals to 80x divided by 100. So X is equals to 1000 divided by 80. That will be equals to 12.5. So the fare of two guys is 12 rupees and 50 paisa. Is that understood? And he has 10 rupees. Now let's see what is the question. B has 3 rupees with him. It hands over to A. Okay, so now A has 13 rupees. Okay, and the cost of two fare is 12.5 rupees. Now the A has just enough to buy two tickets. No, A has 50 paisa more. A still needs 2 rupees. Absolutely wrong. A, after buying the two tickets, will be left with 50 paisa. Absolutely correct. It's just take like 50 seconds, maximum 50 seconds. The money A now has is still not sufficient to buy two tickets. Absolutely wrong. So C is the answer. Please don't take load. I could have done it in literally 10 seconds. See, 10 rupees is there, 80% is there. So if 4 is 10, then 5 is 12.5. It gets 2 rupees more, so it becomes 13 and 50 paisa is left. So that is the answer. This is how I'll work. So as per agreement with the bank, now I'll show how I'll work. After paying 18 installments, he wants 60% of his loan was refunded. How many installments are there in the agreement? So 18 is 60%. So 18 is 3 parts. So 30 is 5 parts. So 18 is 60%, 30 is 5%. So how many installments are there in the agreement? Answer is 30. It's as simple as that. Or if you want to take slightly more time, so 18 is equals to 60% of X. What is X? 100 divided by 60 into 18. So that will be equals to 5 by 3. That will be equals to 6. Answer is 30. it should not take you more than, let's say, 15-20 seconds. It's as simple as that. There is no hard and fast logic. Sixth standard kids do these questions. So if you want me to make more videos on other topics including the reading comprehensions, do let me know. Because see, the thing is, like you will be able to solve, yeah, there are lots of manuals out there, so they'll teach you lots of formulas and they'll try to solve you. In the last video I said HCF instead of LCM. See, it doesn't really matter whether you are HCF or LCM. Nobody is asking you to calculate LCM. It's just pure logic that you are not giving maths exam and just common sense. So if you have these two, you just solve it. I don't know what is LCM, I don't know what is HCF, but I just know how to solve the questions. So if you want to develop that knack and have a revolutionary strategy where you can attempt 1 questions per minute, so you'll be able to attempt 80 questions in 80 minutes, absolutely 100% guaranteed. You will save time in math section and you will devote more time to RC section. So even if you falter, you have a bad day, you are not feeling good, you are feeling sick, you have not eaten well, you have not slept well, so even if rather than taking 90 minutes you end up taking 110 minutes, but you do not say and come to me that I can't complete my paper. Some people come to say that I have attempted only 50 questions, but I knew all of them, but there was lack of time. Obviously there is a lack of time. It is a competitive examination, it is testing your aptitude, so there has to be a lack of time, but you have to compensate for that lack of time. If you can't, like people like me who score like 75 correct and 5 wrong, so they will get through, you will not. So you have to develop these, and do not come and asking ki what is arithmetic progression, geometric progression and all. See, these are not asked directly. Nobody cares about them. You just need to know your basic logic and just get to the answers. They just want you to apply the logic to the problems you will be facing in the field. So anyways, if you want me to make RC videos, do let me know. And thank you for watching the video. This is the YouTube channel and academy. You can click here to subscribe, and you can ping me. You do like the video, and do comment here whatever your query is. You can also tweet to me at my Twitter handle, that is at romanseni. And this is the Facebook page, facebook.com/romanseni.official. Thank you for watching the video. Have an awesome day.